How to fix Google Drive Quota Exceeded error. So to start, we'll have to open our browser, and then in here, we'll have to simply open our Google Drive account. And then in here, if you have a video or a file that exceeded the Google Drive quota and it appears error, what you need to do to fix and download that is to simply open the file or the video. And then in here, what you need to do is to go at the top, and then we'll have to tap on these three dots. In here, tap on this add to stered option. After that, we'll have to go back, and then in here, tap on this new option, and then we'll have to create a new folder. After that, we'll just have to name this folder, and then simply tap on this create option. After you have created a folder, go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the stered option. In here, the video will appear. What we need to do is to right click on that, and then after that, on the pop-up menu, tap on this organize option, and then tap on this add shortcut option. And then after that, we'll have to select the folder that we just created, and then simply tap on the add option. After that, we'll have to go back on the my drive option, and then in here, simply open the folder, and then you will now see that video here. So to download this one, simply tap on these three dots, and then tap on this download option. By doing that, we can now download the video and then save the video to our file or desktop. So that's how easy we can fix Google Drive Quota Exceeded error. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.